How to display antique and vintage cameras. If you have a collection of antique and vintage cameras and want to showcase them beautifully, you are in the right place. Let's talk about how to display these fascinating pieces effectively. First, choose a display area that is away from direct sunlight and high humidity. Both can harm the materials of your cameras, such as leather, metal, and glass. A stable environment with controlled temperature and humidity is essential to keep your cameras in good condition. Next, consider using display cases made from ultraviolet-protective glass or acrylic. These cases will protect your cameras from dust, smoke, and any physical contact while still allowing for clear viewing. This method is similar to how sports memorabilia is displayed in museums, ensuring that each piece remains in excellent condition. When positioning your cameras, aim to keep them upright or on custom stands. This prevents any warping or damage. Make sure each camera is securely supported to avoid any accidents. Arranging your cameras thoughtfully is also important. Avoid clutter so that each item can stand out on its own. You might group them by era, brand, or type to create a narrative flow. This storytelling aspect can engage viewers, much like curated exhibits of sports collectibles. Lighting plays a significant role in the display as well. Use soft, diffused lighting to reduce glare and highlight the details of your cameras without causing heat damage. Aim for symmetrical and indirect lighting to avoid harsh shadows or reflections. Labeling each camera is another great idea. Provide concise information about its history, model, and significance. This educational element adds context and enriches the viewing experience, much like museum labels for sports artifacts. If your collection is large, consider rotating the displays. This keeps the presentation fresh and reduces the risk of prolonged exposure to light and dust. Additionally, ensure good air circulation around the display area to prevent mold or mildew, which can be harmful to vintage materials. In summary, displaying antique and vintage cameras involves careful planning and execution. Focus on preservation, clear presentation, and storytelling through environmental control, protective display cases, organized arrangement, appropriate lighting, and informative labeling. This approach will help you showcase your cameras as the historical artifacts they truly are.